What's going on, everybody? Be Awesome King. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a screwdriver. For anyone that's under the age of 17, this video is not for you. That's my discretionary warning. And you will need your rum for sure, a glass, a stir stick, and some orange juice. That's the recommended ingredient list for making a screwdriver. Here comes the orange juice. Now, preferably you have to bring it up near the top, but not all the way at the top. Now you take your stir stick like this, you plop it in, and of course, mix until it's good. And then you take a shower. Now, obviously, I have to put the stuff away. The ice is already back in, if you guys are wondering. That is if you want to make a screwdriver at home now. But you can also go out to a bar and order it yourself. Of course, a bar can make it a little stronger, depending on how you want it. And that's how you do your stuff, guys.